morning.
Wow, look at that. He's moving forward, he's dropping all of it. That's insane. It's on fire. What the heck?
Oh my goodness. Look at this. The man after. Oh my goodness, this is
not good.
All the garbage is on fire. It seemed like something was lit in the trash can.
Yep.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, he's definitely losing his job.
It's not his fault.
Wow.
And it's not even funny.
Burning garbage, man.